It's a waste of time, but we'll be fine. Just picture me laying there right next to you. No, I try every night. Yeah, I'm back before you know. Don't you worry, promise you that I'll be coming home. So trust me when I say I'll be back before you know. I'm sorry if my side of the bed is getting cold. Just wait another day, I'll be back before you know. Just wait another day, I'll be back before you know.
Today we are going to use welcome. We will say wonderful company.
I'll be back before you know. There's no other way, but it's okay. Just picture me standing there right next to you. That's so stay, 'cause it's not too late. Yeah, I'm back before you know. Don't you worry, promise you that